Hello students, we'll see the interconnection of phases. We are discussing the topic called three-phase circuits. Under that topic we have interconnection of phases. Interconnection of phases. Okay, interconnection of phases means, as I have already said, three phases. Three phases means we have three windings. Phase A or phase R. Let us consider the every phases as R. Okay, we will fix with one denotation called three phases means let us consider R by B only for our discussion. Okay, phase R, phase Y, this will be what? Phase B. R by B. Each phase, each winding. One phase, one winding. So we have three windings here. Okay. You can see here, this is the starting point and this is the ending point of each phase. Hope you can see this point. Starting point and ending point. Starting point is denoted by A or R. The ending point is denoted by what? A dash or R dash. Okay. The same equivalent in star connection. If we connect this point, these windings in star means this will be the R starting point and this will be the ending point R dash. Okay. Whereas here this will be the starting point RYB or ABC. This will be, if it is the starting point, this will be the ending point Y dash. And this will be B dash. Hope you can understand these points. Three windings connected with this last ending points are connected to one common terminal. Ending points are connected to one common terminal. Okay, this connects the star connection. Okay. So general methods of interconnection are, general methods of interconnection are, first one will be the star. It can also be seen as a Y connection. No? This star connection is also in the form of Y connection. So it is also called as Y connection. Why we call it as Y? It is just looking like a Y, inverted Y. So it is called star or Y connection. The other method is called, the other type of connection is called mesh or delta. Mesh or delta. Mesh or delta connection. You can see in this figure, figure 1 is the star connection, whereas the figure 2 is the delta connection. Remember the current directions, very important. Okay. How do we connect this? Instead of this model, we can also connect like this. Let us take three windings because all the three ending points are connected. No, let us take this is A means this is A dash. If it is B means B dash, C dash. Okay, all these three are connected at one common terminal A, B, and C. Okay, so this is called a star connection, whereas the delta connection is starting connected to the ending of the other point. Hope you understand this point. This common terminal is called neutral. This common terminal is called neutral. Yes or no? This is the common terminal for three windings. In the same way, if you consider this circuit, how the delta connection is made by taking three windings. Let us consider here winding 1 having that will be the This will be A, A dash. Let us consider one more circuit called Y, Y dash. In the same way, B, B dash. So this will be Y, sorry, let us fix with this one, this point, B, B dash, C, C dash. Delta connection means this A dash of second, this A dash of first winding ending element is connected to the starting point of the second winding. Okay. In the same way, the second winding ending element is connected to starting of the third winding. Now, the final, this winding, the starting of the first winding is connected to the ending of the last winding. This is nothing but the delta connection. Delta connection. Okay. Hope you understand this point. So, so in star connections, in which all three finishing ends, all finishing three terminals of the three phases, here in star connection, in case of star connection, in case of star connection, what we can see here, all the three finishing terminals, all the three finishing terminals of the three phases of the three phases are shorted together, are shorted together, at a common point, at point called neutral. Okay, which is called a star point, a star point. Okay, which is called a star point. The three lines of the three-phase supply are made available at terminals. Okay, at RYB or ABC. At RYB or ABC. Any terminal you can take. Okay. Now, this configuration is called a Y connection. This configuration is called Y connection or star connection. Hope you understand this point. Okay. Now let us consider. So let us consider another point called delta connection. What do you mean by delta connection? Delta connection, in which the finishing terminal of first phase, the finishing terminal of first phase or finishing terminal of one phase, is connected to what is the finishing terminal of one phase is connected to starting terminal of the next phase. Yes or no? The finishing terminal of first phase is connected to the starting terminal of the next phase. Finishing terminal of one phase is connected to the starting terminal of the next phase. Hope you understand this point. Thus, all the three phases form a loop. Thus, thus all three phases form a loop. Okay. So each junction terminal, two phases, that is RY, YB and BR. But in case of star, we have only independent terminals called R, Y and B means. What about here? We have, if you observe this point, yes or no? At this point, so it is a combination forming from R to Y. Yes or no? Here, voltage is framed between Y and B. Here, the voltage is framed between R and B. Okay. But what about here? The voltages are at junction points are individual here. R, here we have R, Y and B. Okay. Hope you understand that point. Thank you.